How perfumes are made from flowers and oils. Perfume is more than just a fragrance. It's a blend of art, science, and nature. Every bottle holds the essence of exotic flowers, rare oils, and secret formulas that have been perfected over centuries. But how are these luxurious scents extracted from delicate petals and transformed into a perfume that lingers for hours? The journey begins in the fields and ends in a finely crafted bottle, ready to captivate the senses. Step 1. Harvesting the raw materials. The process starts with sourcing the finest natural ingredients. Flowers like roses, jasmine, lavender, and tuberose are hand-picked at specific times of the day to capture their most potent aromas. Essential oils are also extracted from citrus peels, sandalwood, vanilla pods, and spices like cinnamon or cloves. Timing is crucial. Some flowers, like jasmine, must be harvested at dawn when their scent is strongest. Meanwhile, other raw materials, like agarwood or patchouli, require years of careful cultivation before they develop the deep, rich fragrances needed for perfumes. Step 2. Extracting the fragrance. Once collected, the raw materials go through various extraction techniques to separate the pure scent molecules from the plant matter. 1. Steam distillation. Used for essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and rose, this method involves steaming the plant material, which releases its aromatic compounds. The steam is then cooled and condensed back into a liquid, separating the fragrant oil from the water. 2. Solvent extraction. For delicate flowers like jasmine and tuberose, which lose their scent when heated, factories use solvents like ethanol or hexane. The flowers are placed in large rotating drums, where the solvent dissolves the essential oils, leaving behind a fragrant wax. This wax is later purified into an aromatic concentrate. 3. Cold press extraction. Mainly used for citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, this process involves mechanically pressing the peels to release their fragrant oils. Since no heat is used, the oils retain their fresh, zesty scent. 4. Enfleurage, traditional method. One of the oldest techniques, enfleurage involves placing delicate petals onto sheets of purified animal fat or vegetable oil. Over time, the fat absorbs the flower's fragrance, creating a scented pomade that is later washed with alcohol to extract the perfume essence. Step 3. Creating the perfume blend. Once the essential oils are extracted, expert perfumers, also known as noses, begin blending them into a unique fragrance formula. A perfume consists of 3 layers. Top notes, the first impression of a perfume, light and fresh scents like citrus, mint, or lavender. Heart notes, the core fragrance that emerges after the top notes fade, often floral or spicy, like rose, jasmine, or cinnamon. Base notes, the deep, long-lasting scents that provide depth and warmth, such as sandalwood, musk, vanilla, or amber. The perfumer carefully balances these layers, using anywhere from 30 to 200 different ingredients to craft a single scent. Step 4. Dilution and aging. Once the perfect blend is achieved, it's mixed with alcohol to create different concentrations of perfume. Perfume extract, extrait de parfum. The most concentrated, containing 20 to 40% fragrance oil. Eau de parfum, EDP. A strong but balanced concentration, with 15 to 20% fragrance oil. Eau de toilette, EDT. A lighter fragrance with 5 to 15% fragrance oil. Eau de cologne, EDC. The lightest version, containing 2 to 5% fragrance oil. After dilution, the mixture is left to age in stainless steel vats for weeks or even months. This aging process allows the different fragrance molecules to blend harmoniously, creating a smoother, more refined scent. Step 5. Filtration and bottling. Before bottling, the perfume undergoes cold filtration to remove any impurities or cloudiness, ensuring a crystal-clear liquid. High-speed filling machines then transfer the perfume into beautifully designed glass bottles. These bottles are sealed with elegant caps, labeled, and packed into luxurious boxes, ready for distribution. Step 6. Quality control and distribution. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing, where experts evaluate the scent, longevity, and consistency. Some perfumes are tested on fabric and skin to ensure they interact well with body chemistry and last for hours without altering their original scent. Finally, the finished perfumes are shipped to luxury boutiques, department stores, and online retailers, ready to enchant millions of people around the world. The final touch: a perfume's signature. From the fields where flowers bloom to the laboratories where scents are blended, making perfume is both an art and a science. Every bottle holds the essence of nature, captured and refined into a timeless fragrance that tells a story with every drop. Whether it's the fresh citrus of a summer morning or the deep warmth of a winter evening, perfume has the power to evoke emotions, create memories, and leave a lasting impression, one scent at a time.